And we're back.
Yes, we are on another amazing trip.
Now this one's, this is just a few weeks ago in May, towards the end of May. Beautiful sunny day, as everybody can see. We're out, where are we?
Oh, can we divulge that information?
Well, we're only divulging a little bit. It's Fraser Canyon.
Yes.
Fraser Canyon. You'll see the river soon, but no, that's all we're talking about today. You're riding in the ATV in front of me at the moment, and we're going to be splitting this one into parts, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
So for this one, we're splitting it into the part, and then we got some cool drone footage by our good buddy Burke at the end of this one. And so that's about it. That's all we got to talk about right now, right?
Yep, for now.
All
yes.
right. Look at that, I'm already catching up to you. This road is nice and smooth for the first 2 or 3 sections that we're going to be showing today. But then it gets, I wouldn't call this a real tough drive or ride.
No, it's pretty easy. It's pretty open, but very dusty. Very
Yeah,
dusty.
it was real dusty as the trip went on. This road looks like it's been watered actually, but as we get farther down, it gets real dusty.
It does. It's such a different sort of, just a different environment. There's little cactus everywhere, super dry.
Cacti.
Sorry, cactuses.
Cacti.
Thank you. Thanks, Coach.
On some videos, we condense things. We shorten it because some of the road isn't particularly fun to look at, but we literally can't find a piece of video out of this trip worth cutting out, can we?
No, it's too beautiful. So
that's why we're just gonna run the whole trip. We're gonna run it in several parts because my laptop is gonna explode with all this 4K video. But we're just gonna do like 20-minute sections each time, and show this for all the beauty that it is. It's like taking a trip back in time. This one, isn't it?
Yes, it sure was. Well, for a long time, we've been sort of fantasizing about getting up these roads.
Yeah, this one in particular, we sure have.
Yeah, it took us a couple tries to get there, but here we are, and it was just such an amazing day. So memorable, really. It's one of our best rides, one of our top 3 for sure.
Yeah, one of the highlights, and not because it was particularly difficult.
No.
But more for the scenery. You'll see some of it coming up in a few minutes, and then in future videos, we've got some amazing stuff to show.
So here we come out across. Remember these two cows here?
Oh yeah, he was. So that's actually a bull, the black one.
Yes.
Oh, if you look closely, you can tell that it was a bull.
Yeah.
He was kind of having some fun with the female there, right in the middle of the road as you came on him, I think.
Yeah. I think we kind of interrupted a little something there.
Yeah, good times. He wasn't that happy.
No, he wasn't.
No.
As any bull male would be, of course. But anyways, it actually, I'm surprising looking at the footage now is that it didn't look too dusty.
Not here. It gets dustier.
On the way back.
No, farther down. Past the, probably from where the second video ends.
Yeah,
this is the first video. The second video is another amazing spot. And then we've got some video where the road gets a little bit more extreme and the dust will pick up. This was nice. But this is all pretty. I mean, you can run this in your car, no problem.
Oh yeah. One thing about this area, there's a lot of trains.
Yeah, they run a lot of trains on both sides of the river, which will probably give away this location, but that's okay. Yeah, there was a lot of train activity on both sides, for sure. Mm-hmm. Oh look, you found some dust that you're going to cover me in now.
Yes. But look at this. See, really starting to get the beautiful view here, the mountains. It's just gorgeous.
Yeah, it sure is. It's just, you can just, as far as the eye can see, it's just beautiful valley, some lush green down at the bottom, a little more desert-like up at the top.
Yes, definitely.
Look down and you see the river. It's pretty swollen that day. I know when we were up just north of here in Cache Creek, there was a lot of flooding, wasn't there?
Oh, there sure was. It was actually quite incredible, the amount of flooding that was all the farmland.
All the farmland, some of the farmhouses. Oh, is that you coming up on our chase vehicle?
Yes, I believe so.
So you kind of transition into this flat, almost plateau-like area. You can see the river down off to the right, dusty. And I think we might have some wild horses coming up here.
Yes, it was just so perfect, like the perfect timing. Just kind of all appeared, and they were just beautiful. Kind of just see them all moving one way, and it was just a perfect setting for that.
Oh yeah, there you are, herding the horses.
I wanted to stay and watch them for a bit, but they were gone, just like that.
Yeah, they were pretty skittish. There's you recording them though.
Yes.
So right around here, we decide that this is a great place to go have a little viewpoint, little rest, and then we break out our buddy Burke's drone. He's an amazing pilot, isn't he?
Oh, he's incredible.
I think everybody's about to see some amazing talent here. Check his channel out. Enjoy with an I, ENJOI FPV on YouTube. He's got some amazing stuff. This is but one of his videos that he so graciously shared with us, and really made our trip. Thanks, Burke.